Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Shift Actuator on your Whirlpool Washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new Shift Actuator for your Whirlpool Washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The Shift Actuator is responsible for changing the modes of the motor from spinning to agitate mode. The shifter moves the arm on the cam assembly to engage and disengage either the basket or the agitator and washplate. When the shifter is in this position and the cam is to the left, the gear should be engaged and the basket should spin when the pulley is turned. When the shifter is in this position and the cam is to the right, the basket should no longer spin and only the agitator or washplate should move. The shifter also contains a tachometer, which is used to tell the control board how fast the washer is spinning. If the shift actuator is broken or damaged, the washer may not spin or agitate properly, and the washer may show an error related to the tachometer signal or basket engagement. After replacing this, it is very important to run the washer's calibration cycle. You can watch the instructions on how to run the calibration cycle at the end of this video. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. For this repair, you'll need access to the bottom of the washer, so you'll want to flip it onto its front on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. Make sure you grab an extra pair of hands when doing so to avoid injury. Then, using a screwdriver or ratchet with a 5/16 socket, remove the two screws holding the pulley cover in place. Then, depress the locking tab and remove the electrical connector. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws and pull the shift actuator away from the washer. If you need to purchase a new shift actuator, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align this tab on the shift actuator to the cam assembly and push it into place, and install the screws. Then, connect the electrical connector. Next, align the pulley cover to the washer and reinstall the screws. Now, flip the washer back upright and reconnect the water and power to it to run the factory calibration cycle. To run the cycle, make sure the washer is in standby mode with all the LEDs off and the lid closed. Press key 1, key 2, key 1, key 2 within 8 seconds of each other, with key 1 being temp and key 2 being rinse on our model of washer. The washer then will confirm that it has entered service mode by all the LEDs blinking one time, and then the lid will lock. Then rotate the encoder knob one step. Then press all the keys 1 through 6. When successfully completing, the lid will unlock. Next, open and close the lid to initialize the factory cycle. When the cycle is running, do not disturb the washer or remove power, or you will need to restart the process. The cycle will run from 2 to 4 minutes. You will know when the cycle completes when the LEDs turn off and the lid unlocks. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.